Hey guys, this is Judy. Welcome back. Another day, another video. Here we are at HomeGoods the day after Easter. We wanted to see if we find any sales and if they have anything new out. So join me. Let's see what we find. This is cute. I've never seen it this shape before. $19.99. How cute is that? And they have these regular ones. Oh, this is cute. Look at the apple, so cute. Spring apple. $19.99. How adorable is that? Little Joy House. Grow. Planter markers right there. Ooh, this is cute. I think this is the first time I actually see there's Rae Dunn mugs on this thing. There's one there that says happy birthday with yellow inside. And then but first coffee right here, $5.99. Does this have anything in the back? Let me check. No. The happy birthday is kind of, here it is. Happy birthday, shiny. $5.99. I'm really liking the matte though. The matte cups. Something I kind of prefer now. Ooh, I see one here. Hold on. Boom, chica boom. See, this is cute pink, and look how cute this looks in matte. That's why I prefer. Let me put it next to a glossy one so you can see. You see the difference? I prefer that. I don't know if it's just me or they're the same. How adorable are all these pieces? I love the wood pieces here in the glass. And look at how cute are these matte cups, Mr. and Mrs. I think these were $12.99. I'm not sure, but I wanted to show you. I know this is not Rae Dunn, but I still wanted to show you how cute this Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse collection here in HomeGoods was. They had this whole, they had 3-4 different shelves, and they had these cups with these toppers, and I thought they were super adorable. They had cups, they had plates, they had serving trays, they had every single thing you can think of, and the price was actually pretty good. I mean, look at this. Beautiful. That's cute. Good morning, sunshine. That's a summer mug, I think. Another good morning, sunshine.
Hello, homegoods shoppers.
Senor and senora. Good morning. Would have been nice if it had like a sun in the back or something. Another good morning down there. And the lunch. $7.99. They're so heavy. Very, very heavy. Okay guys, how beautiful is this end cap? I am so ready for looks a little bit like a bassinet, like to carry a baby. It does have wheels, as you can see right here. It's easy to travel from one end of the laundry to another. But I don't know. I mean, I just don't know. Now this is cute. If you have a husband that puts his keys and his small stuff everywhere, this is super organizational. Very cute. Okay guys, now tell me why I found this But First coffee mug in the bathroom area. Like, I know it's cute, it's $5.99, but why is it here? I wanted kind of to put it back, but then I didn't want to interrupt whoever was trying to hide it, or maybe they just changed their mind. This is also super cute. It's a toilet wash or a toilet scrubber for $14.99. Super cute, but not very functional. You can use it to decorate the bathroom, but it's not very functional. I prefer something else. And these cute little bags and that little trash can was adorable. $7.99 for those bags, and I tell you, you can't go wrong. This little trash can, you step on it, it opens the top. Super cute for a bathroom. Yes, adorable. And I love the mat. Okay guys, so I seen this in the Rae Dunn new release page. This is $39.99. It's super cute. This shape is cute. This is good for like a baby's room or boy's room. Look at the detail. How cute is that? And look at this one right here. It's basically the same color as you can see here. They have two of those, but this one's more like a ocean theme or marine theme, beach house kind of vibe. And if you have a nursery that theme, this looks so good in that room. Ooh, I like those. Look at that. It's very farmhouse. It looks like a glass jar with the beads. That's cute. They have two of those. Look at that shade. That's adorable. Looks like Jean. Hi guys, I'm here in the checkout aisle and just wanted to show you some of the mugs they have. I think that they just took them out of the packages. You know how they assemble them and put them into like packages so they can sell faster. They have happy and with the yellow inside, create your own sunshine, blessed alive, But First coffee, hello with the red inside. You see how cute that is? That's a really nice red, blessed with the blue inside. And I think that's about it. I love that blue. Ooh, they have Jonathan back there. No, let me see. I think that's all right now. What's this? Honey bunny. Yeah, that's it for right now. Okay guys, let's go somewhere else. We can find more stuff.